Meaning of Great Falls.
Great Falls.
Great Falls.
Great Falls.
Great Falls. Great Falls refers to a natural wonder located in the United States that consists of a series of large waterfalls and rapids on the Potomac River. Located in Virginia, the falls are a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, offering breathtaking views, hiking trails, and other outdoor activities. The name Great Falls reflects the awe-inspiring size and majesty of the falls, which can be heard from miles away. Visitors can enjoy the picturesque scenery and diverse wildlife, making it a must-see destination for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike.